Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ramsha Sultan and today I am going to tell you one perfume trick that will change your life. Now telling you beforehand, it is not that same old type of trick that apply your perfume here on the back of your knee. No, it is something that I've tried and tested and you are going to love me for telling you this trick. Let's begin. We all go through this problem that no matter where and how much perfume we apply, it does not last long, and by the end of the day, the fragrance kind of dies. But this trick that I'm about to tell you will make you smell good all day long. So the trick is, drum rolls. So the trick is to apply perfume in your hair. Yes, you heard that right. If you apply perfume in your hair, you will smell good all day and all night long. Now let me show you guys a demo of how to do it. Since I am a hijabi, I choose not to show my hair on public platforms, but I have this for you. Please do not ask me where it came from. And for the perfume, I would be using the newly launched Body Cupid perfume. They have newly launched fragrances and they smell oh so amazing. So the trick is that suppose this is your hair and these are your open hair. What you have to do is you have to simply spray the perfume on your hair like this. Little goes a long way. So make sure that you spray your hair on this side and they're fully covered in perfume. And that's it. It's that simple. And believe me that you're gonna smell good all this while. The fragrance will last longer if you apply it on damp hair. You can apply it once your hair are 50% dry. Just apply it all over your hair and you're done. Make sure that you do not apply the perfume in the roots of your hair because perfumes are alcohol based and it might damage your hair follicles. But if you know some science, only our roots at the scalp are alive, rest of our hair are actually dead. So you can go ahead and freely apply perfume on your hair. You don't have to dampen your hair in perfume, just lightly spritz it and you're good to go. And believe me, you will smell good and you are going to thank me later. Let me tell you guys a little bit about the Body Cupid perfumes. They've newly launched 3 fragrances in it and they are really high quality perfumes which last a really long time. So let me explain these fragrances to you a little bit. The first fragrance is Aqua Wave. It is for men but also sort of unisex. It is a very fresh kind of aqua fragrance and this has to be my personal favorite fragrance out of all 3. If you want to gift a perfume to a man, this fragrance is absolutely perfect, especially for gifting. The packaging is amazing and the fragrance is ideal for men. The next fragrance is called Sweet Love. It is a very floral and feminine kind of fragrance. It's kind of a fragrance that you smell a lot in Saudi Arabian countries. So if you're into very floral and feminine kind of fragrances, then this fragrance is for you. The last fragrance is called Sweet Passion. It is a sweet fragrance with a hint of jasmine in it. So if you like that kind of fragrance, then this fragrance is for you. So all these 3 fragrances are very different from each other and honestly it depends on your personal preference which fragrance you like more. And I have a giveaway for you guys. I am giving away these perfumes to 3 lucky winners and those winners can actually choose their personal fragrance, which one they want to win. And for that you have to follow 5 simple rules. You have to subscribe to my channel, you have to comment down below why you want to win this giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram, you have to follow this brand on Instagram, and you have to tag 3 people on the post that I put on my Instagram. All the details and the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. By the way, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, there are many other colors available and many other designs as well. You can log on to ramshasultan.com and shop your favorite scarves. And that's it for the video, guys. I really hope that you like this video, and if you try out this trick and it works for you, I know that you're gonna thank me for life. And if you want more such content, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.